So we are I know you guys seen a clip of me doing some work this morning, but now I'm at U-Haul. Y'all, I'm just so stressed out. Like, I'm trying not to be because I'm so pregnant and I don't want my baby to feel the stress that's on me, but literally I don't have a choice. Like, I don't know what else. I don't know what to do besides stress, because now it's crunch time and stuff is still not, you know, like all in God's time. And well, he's never, yeah, well, I understand that, but yeah, y'all. So we're trying to get the rest of this money to settle out with U-Haul so we can move the stuff out of here, while in the midst trying to find another storage unit to take the stuff to, as well as get a truck to move the stuff. So right now we were right at just enough for the settlement. So trying to find a free storage unit for the month, because we only need it for a month. And then a truck, which of course is probably gonna be like, we could probably find a truck for like $20-something for the day. It's just a, oh Lord, I'm tired, y'all. Genuinely, I'm so tired. I'm so tired of being stressed out. I'm so tired of this same old shit. Like, I don't know. I hope you guys really appreciate the level of transparency. Can you turn it down a little bit, Stink? Just a little bit. I appreciate it. No, baby, not all the way down. Just a little bit down. So I don't feel like I'm screaming when I'm talking to the camera. That's good. You can turn it up a little bit more if you like. Okay. I forgot what I was saying. But yeah, I hope you guys appreciate the level of transparency that we are trying to give you guys. I'm in the middle of dashing, so I'm receiving dashes while I'm recording, so hold on.
Now we got what's
so yeah, now we're oh, you can, I mean, just be honest. I'm you start trying to whisper it as if I haven't been telling
we rich then, bitch.
Yeah, we're on the way, I guess, to that. Yeah, Instacart isn't talking about anything, and neither is DoorDash. And we just trying to get some extra money, you know, so we can go ahead and get the storage unit to start moving this stuff over. But I think we got it all figured out, thanks to family, you know, and trucks, I guess. So yeah, we're just riding around the city, I guess, actually.
We don't need to be
looking for, we could probably go back to the storage unit though in a minute and start taking some small stuff. I don't know though.
As soon as we get some gas, we can go straight up. I'm ready to do some shit.
I'm not.
Huh? I'm not. Might need to go pick up my cousin too.
No, but we need to go back to the storage though, because yeah, all the big stuff is behind the you feel me, behind the little shit.
That's why I made some space in my trunk and I tried to cut some stuff over here in the car too, because
I was saying that's why, you know, we needed to be going out there at least an hour or so before everybody else is trying to come out there to
get the big shit.
Yeah, so that way it's not like a task they're waiting on, or even though it's just me and you right now, and one of us is no good. Like I feel like with 5-6 men bodies, come on now, 6 times 2, y'all got 2 hands, every last one of y'all, and none of y'all got no disability. I'm saying you got 2 hands, like.
Because ain't nobody got no disability. How the hell you know? All of us been dealing with back problems.
Yeah, I'm talking about disabilities to where I'm talking about not being able or not having one hand. People around here doing stuff with one hand and shit. I'm talking about y'all got both hands and feet. You might have back problems, but you got both hands, both feet. That's what I'm saying. So ghetto, so ghetto. So, but right now we're trying to find another storage. I booked a storage unit somewhere and they had let me tell y'all just how the devil works, okay? When my man just lost his job this past week, right? or got laid off, whatever you want to call it. So then I'm looking for a job, but I'm already, you already know my situation. And before that, my daughter wasn't in daycare. She's just with me. So anyway, so we really didn't have the money to settle out with early today. And by the grace of God, we got the money to settle out. By the grace of God again, we found some people with some trucks to help us move so we didn't have to run a U-Haul. But now I had a free storage unit to rent. And those people aren't there.
Like I said, try budget in Penske because you said everybody clearing out for school.
Budget in Penske what? Trucks?
Like storage and all that.
I didn't know Budget had storage or Penske had storage. Anyway, so yeah, the people that we said made an appointment with to get a storage unit, they're not there. How ratchet and ghetto. They're not. And that's how the devil works, because that was if the one free storage unit we could find. They not there. So now I don't know. We gotta go with the next best thing. We might just have to. Oh shit! We might just have to get a storage unit that ain't the size of. We'll see. That thing is, we don't have anywhere to put everything else. It sucks. I don't know. Just these are hard times. Y'all, it's been a day. It's like 4, almost 5 o'clock. You know, we finally got the, like I said, the storage settled. We finally found a storage.
Nothing much. You know anybody with like a moving truck?
Now we're trying to find a truck, but because everyone's moving, like, you know, it's back to school time.
Gotta move some trucks like some like.
I don't know. There was one thing after the next. Figure out one problem to have 2 more. Figure out another problem.
I got more people. I was just trying to see if we could like.
You ever think about if there are like any serial killers? You ever think about like if there are any serial killers that be like in these storages, just chilling, cutting up bodies or something? It'd be so scary in here. Whew. It's like about out of breath, you know?
You know, them knives and shit ain't gonna be no good, you know? That pistol I'm hitting with.
You ain't got it on you. Hold this. We could get better content if you would interact instead of making me do everything.
Man, interact. I almost passed out. Huh?
The filming, the editing.
How much this time I'm doing all the dirty work?
What's time doing all the what?
The dirty work.
What dirty work? What dirty work? What dirty work? Look how you holding it. You gonna be holding it like this.
See, I'm all, see.
See, you don't even be trying. I'll punch you. God damn.
Damn, probably need to get the old Miss Dolly.
Yeah.
White.
As far as my TransUnion and my Equifax, but not my Experian. I don't know my Experian.
It's probably gonna go up later too.
How the hell they gonna know who had the cart? You ain't goddamn cut your ankle. Let's see. Might not be on this vlog, but I'm gonna try to vlog when I can, because not you singing better than me. So, we have pretty much got a lot of everything lined up in the hallways. And we still got some of the big stuff in here. My washers, my washer and dryer, my couches, mattress and bed springs, my big mirror in there, and then my daughter's mattress, and a lampshade or whatever, lamp. And then her 2 bikes down there, which I can probably get rid of now because she has a car that she got for her birthday. But yeah, so actually me and my man have pretty much moved all this stuff out here because we haven't had anyone to come help yet. But we have Savior's on the way with a truck, not a U-Haul truck, because there's literally none right now. I mean, none. We were lucky to get a storage unit. There is no U-Hauls, like no trucks, no Penske's, no trucks. Everybody's moving for college and stuff. So yeah, I'm watching my man working on these paintings, and I can tell right now that he's probably gonna scrape up a painting so bad. It's just this back one that I haven't even had a chance to actually put up in any apartment that I've had. I can see him messing that one up though. Anyway, so yeah, so now we got help on the way. And after we get some help, I think my brother-in-law and my nephew they're on their way with the truck, and then my other brother-in-law, like my man's brother and his dad, are on their way with another truck. So we're just gonna have to make packing all this stuff up on the back of pickup trucks work, because that's the only option that we have. And if somebody was to come with a car, fill some of these boxes and stuff in the cars and the trunks and stuff, but we might have to make like a lot of trips, like 3-4 trips, and you know, put the stuff on the back of the car. So that's what's going on right now. That's the update. But yeah, like I said, we have until 7 in the morning to move all this stuff out of here. Yeah, 7 in the morning, move all this stuff out of here before they lock it back down. And I don't want any of this stuff in here, okay? Because this is stuff that I've accumulated on my time, on my own. Let me tell you something. It wasn't cheap. I did it by myself. And yeah, I don't want to lose it, so. But yeah. All right, y'all. We'll check in a minute when we're doing something. Check in a minute. Oh, this is the sky outside. Hold on. There it is. Oh, look, it looks grainy because this mirror is so dirty. I mean, a mirror, but window. My face is like, is it breaking out? Could I be having a girl? It's a whole lot of ifs. All right, catch up with y'all later, okay?